Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In the huge operations that power our kingdom, success really does come down to the details. A single, tiny component failing, well, that can have a massive impact on your safety, your efficiency, and of course your bottom line. Today we're going to talk about one of those critical details, the industrial jerry can.
So, let's just start with a really direct question. For you, managing a high-stakes project, maybe it's an offshore rig, a huge construction site, or even a hospital's backup power. What is the real cost of just one component failure, like a simple fuel spill? Think about it. All right, here's what we'll cover real quick. We'll look at how a small part can be a big risk, the serious cost of failure, how our solution is engineered right here for the kingdom, the advantage you get with AskA Solution, and really, how we become your partner in operations. Okay, let's get into it. Across Saudi Arabia's toughest industrial environments, I'm talking oil fields, factory floors, you name it, every single detail is absolutely critical. And believe me, your choice of something that seems as simple as a fuel container, it matters way more than you probably think.
Here's the bottom line. When downtime means catastrophic losses, there is just no room for error. A leaking container, fuel that gets contaminated, these are not small problems. They are direct threats to your entire operation.
So what does that failure actually look like in the real world? When a cheap, unreliable part gives out, the cost is never, ever just the price of a replacement. The real costs are so much higher, and they create a ripple effect across everything you're trying to do.
And here's that domino effect I'm talking about. It all starts with one leak. The first domino, your whole operation comes to a halt, downtime. The next, that leak creates a massive fire hazard for your team. Then, contaminated fuel gets into your very expensive machinery, causing all sorts of damage. And the final dominoes, significant financial loss and, of course, frustrating project delays. These are the exact headaches we help you avoid.
And this says it all. This is the ultimate price you pay. Operations halted. And if your site is out in a remote area, waiting for a replacement part to come from overseas, that's not a solution. By then, the damage is already done.
This is exactly where we come in. See, we didn't just find some random product. We have engineered a solution specifically to solve these exact problems, right here in the kingdom. I'm talking about the AskA Solution Premium Metal Jerry Can. Now let's be perfectly clear about what this is. This is not just some can. It's a professional-grade, purpose-built tool. It's designed for one job, the safe, durable, and 100% leak-proof storage of fuel, specifically for the tough conditions we face every single day here in Saudi Arabia.
And it's built for total reliability. We use cold-rolled stainless steel so it can take a beating out in the field. To protect your fuel and your expensive equipment, there's a special ammonia alkyd lining inside that prevents any rust or contamination. To guarantee it's leak-proof, we use a two-stage locking bayonet seal. It's not going anywhere. The welded handles are reinforced to take impacts, and the outer coating is even designed so it won't scratch up your vehicles during transport. Every single feature is there for a reason. It's a direct solution to a real-world risk.
So, okay, you can see the product is top tier. But here's the most important question. Why partner with us, AskA Solution, right here in Saudi Arabia? This is where you see our real value.
Tayyib, look, you can buy a part from pretty much anyone. That's a fact. The product is available out there. But with us, you're not just buying a product. You're investing in a complete local solution and, most importantly, long-term peace of mind for your whole operation.
Let me walk you through our commitment to you. It's built on 5 pillars. First, we are an Aramco-approved and ISO-certified partner. That's your guarantee of the highest standards. Second, we only provide genuine, top-quality products that give you the best value. Third, we deliver anywhere in the kingdom. Wherever you are, we'll get it to you. Fourth, we offer a full turnkey service. We don't just drop off a box and leave. And finally, we provide lifetime local support. Maintenance, repairs, we're right here in KSA with you.
So, let's pull all this together. This isn't just about buying a can. This is a strategic investment. It's an investment in the reliability, the safety, and the ongoing success of your entire operation.
If you take one thing away from this, let it be this. Don't just buy a product. Instead, invest in a complete solution from an Aramco-approved partner who's on the ground with you, ready to support you for the long haul.
Shukran. We are truly passionate about the success of industry here in the kingdom, and we genuinely look forward to the chance to help your operations succeed and thrive.
So reach out to our team. Let's have a conversation. You can email us at sales@askasolution.com or find us online at askasolution.com. We're here and ready to help.